Hey guys, this is Franco, and I just figured, hey, I'll shoot a quick video here to give you a little update on what's happening in the garage today. So you can kind of see the setup. I have one CNC PC, and that PC is connected to the Precision Matthews milling machine, and it's also driving the little Grizzly Geo 765 Mini-Lathe conversion. And like I said, I'm doing that with one computer. And what I basically did, I have my laptop, I have everything here, and I have a one of those Netgear switches. It's like a Netgear 5-port switch. So the Acorn that's in the mini mill and the Acorn that's down here, you can see the little blue light in there doing its thing. Those two Acorns both connect to, you can see it, there's a Netgear switch in there. And that works pretty well for me because I have one mill and I have one lathe. So I suppose if I had two milling machines, it would get a little complicated. But because it's a mill and a lathe, I have one application, one folder for CNC 12 mill, I have another folder for CNC 12 lathe. But it's working great. Super happy. The mill's, doing its thing and very happy. But today I'm making parts with the lathe, and I'm just going to snap a quick video of that. It's a simple part. These are just some spacers that I use for the Mini-Lathe conversion kits. It's a really simple part. It's just a face-off and a part-off job. But you know what? There's a lot of simple parts out there that need to be made, and I can't sell these kits unless I have these little spacers. So let me show you how this is working. Let's fire up the lathe. That's working really well. Then I just kind of come over here, try to do this with one hand, and hang on. There you go. There's the part. And these things are coming out great. Once again, I'll try to do this with one hand. There we go. They are right on the money. And they've been running right on the money all day long. So yeah, loving the Centroid. This Centroid control is awesome. I love it. In fact, doing all of my lathe programming right at the control. I really like the Intercon package. It's doing great. Now, most of the lathe parts I've done are not extremely complicated, mostly just turning, parting off, drilling, boring, reaming. I've done a little bit of threading with it just to try it, and that's been working great. But you know, I'm pleased. I like Fusion 360 for programming milling machines, but for the turning work, you just cannot beat this Intercon programming environment. And I know there are ways to import geometry into this. I just haven't done it yet, but I am pretty sure that you can import a DXF file into this and program to that. So I am real happy, and I'm going to continue to make these parts here this morning. Probably going to shoot some videos here in the future on the tooling. I found some really good deals on inexpensive indexable carbide tools on eBay. Things that I didn't see available before that are available now. I'm loving this parting tool, and not using it for this job, but this little threading tool kicks butt too. And of course, you know, the old CCMT 80-degree turning tool, that thing is invaluable. I use that for everything. Cool. Well, all right. Well, thanks for watching. Be safe, enjoy your projects, and have a great day.